Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix SCUM fatal error crash. So let's start. For the first step, you should go to the Windows search bar and type in Device Manager. Once this window pop up, go to the display adapters, open that, and then go to your graphics card selected, right click and select Update Driver. After that, select Search automatically for drivers and then click on Close. For the next step, go to the Windows taskbar, click on this upside arrow appearing. If you do find the Steam icon like this, right click on it and select Exit Steam. Wait for a couple of moments. After that, head to the Steam launcher and reopen it. You will be redirected to the store, so go to the View option, the top left corner, and select the library. From here, you need to search for SCUM. The game must be installed, so after selecting it, click on this Manage icon, and then click on Properties. After that, go to the left menu and select Installed Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. It will start by restoring any corrupted or missing file that is causing the fatal error issue. Just wait for the process to finish. After that, close all of this. For the last method that you can do, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Open the NVIDIA app if you do have an NVIDIA graphics card, otherwise open the AMD app. Once here, make sure to log in with the right credentials. After that, go to the left menu and select drivers. Now click on this install button appearing to ensure that you have the latest graphics card driver. Now go to settings and then make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. And that's it. For the last step that you can do, go to the Windows icon and make sure to restart your computer, and you can try relaunching the game and see if the problem is gone. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing, and see you on the next one.